drop the bomb on me. When you turn me on, when you turn me on, you drop the bomb on me. When you turn me on, you drop the bomb on me. When you turn me on, you drop the bomb on me. Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about you, all it does is just tear me down. 'Cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like ooh. Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. My pride, my ego, my needs, and my selfish ways caused a good, strong woman like you to walk out my life. Now I'll never get to clean up the mess I made. Oh, and that haunts me every time I close my eyes. It all just sounds like ooh. Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. Should have gave you all my hours when I had the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand, give you all his hours when he has the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause I remember how much you loved to dance. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man.
Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars.
Are you ready? Are you ready? all them things don't mean a thing. Shopping for limousine, shopping for expensive things. I be on the movie screens, magazines and bougie scenes. I'm not clean, I'm not pristine. I'm no queen, I'm no shame. I still go to Taco Bell, drive through, raw as hell. I don't care, I'm still real, no matter how many records I sell. After the show, after the Grammys, I like to go cool out with the family, sipping, reminiscing on days when I had a Mustang and I first class up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I wanna change by the glamorous, ooh, flowers, flowers, the glamorous, the glamorous, glamorous, by the glamorous, ooh, flowers, flowers, the glamorous, the glamorous, glamorous, by the glamorous, ooh, flowers, flowers.
I'm talking champagne witnesses, caviar dreams. You deserve nothing but all the finer things. Now this whole world has no clue what to do with us. I got enough money in the bank for the two. Plus I gotta keep enough lettuce to support your shoe fetish lifestyle. So rich and famous, robbing legal kids. Jealous $500,000 for the stove. Taking trips from here to Rome. So if you ain't got no money, take your broke home. I got problems up to here, I got people in my ear telling me these crazy things that I don't wanna know. I got money in the bank and I really like to thank all the fans I like to thank you really don't. I remember yesterday when I dreamt about the days when I rock on the TV. It really told me it's been a long road and the industry is cold. I'm glad my daddy told me so, he let his daughter know. My daddy told me so. He let his daughter know. My daddy told me so. He let his daughter know.